Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Sriram Sporting Club and Ground. Today, 24th May 2025, a inauguration football tournament. A great arrangement. Just with inauguration started. Akshay Shah, I am YouTuber and sports presenter. A beautiful stadium. They are Netaji Brigade, Uttarpara team, senior team. They are very good player and good team. And Mohammedan, Sribhumi and Kolkata team players. All the and now practicing they are before playing started. And this is the tournament. Inauguration stage. This is the inauguration stage. Srirampur Sub-Divisional Tournament 24th May. It is now 3 p.m. and they are practicing. And these are practicing. भाई तो नाम की बोलो है ना कोच okay and they are practicing and coach they are player, very good player, skill player, and now practicing before play, and immediately will be started inauguration today football tournament at Srirampur Sporting Ground, famous stadium. Goalkeeper, they are goalkeeper. They are goalkeeper. তোমার নামটা কি একটু বলে দাও? আলী। তুমি কোন টিমে খেলো? এমনি কলকাতা কোন টিমে খেলো? বিএসএস। তুমি গোলকিপার তো? ঠিক আছে, অল দ্য বেস্ট। শ্রীরামপুর and welcome to Srirampur Stadium and Ground. সুব্রতে কোন টিমে খেলো? কলকাতা।
ধরো আর ও এখন ওয়ার্ম আপ করছে, এখন তুই কথা বলতে পারবি।
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। গুডবাই। এন্ড দিস ইজ দ্য স্টেজ, inauguration stage, Srirampur. Thank you. I am coming soon.